Actually, no, you can still hit it. You can still hit it.
Fuck it, I'll be fine. I'll make it.
Okay. You'll still hit it, though.
I'm savage like that.
Bro, this fucking SUV's going faster than you. What the fuck is this?
Buddy, I'm going up a hill right now, right?
I know, so am I. Don't fucking change lanes for the love of God.
Change lanes?
Yo! Yo! Buddy, you do that, we're both fucked. Yo! Yo!
I should change lanes. I have to change lanes. I have to change lanes. You're boxing me out right now, bro. You're boxing me out.